Welcome to VegWhiz, where we're all about quick, easy and seriously nutritious plant-based meals. Today we're making a creamy vegan red lentil coconut curry packed with protein, flavour and everything you need to feel good. Let's get started. To start with, I'm chopping a small onion. Then onto the garlic. I'm using a Spanish garlic grater plate today. It was a gift from my parents and honestly it's brilliant. Super easy to use and clean. Of course you could just use a garlic press or mince it the old-fashioned way with a knife. It really does help to have everything prepped and ready to go before you start cooking. Makes everything smoother and a lot more fun. Alright, let's get cooking. Heat a little oil in a deep pan over a medium heat and add the onions and garlic. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper and saute for about 3 minutes until soft and fragrant. Now sprinkle in the curry powder, cumin and those lovely curry leaves. Toast the spices for about a minute to wake everything up. Next it's time to add the vegetable broth, or in my case water. Both are fine. And then we're going to add in the diced tomatoes and lentils. The lentils were a bit clumpy from rinsing earlier, but they loosened up fine once it hit the pot. Bring it all to a gentle boil, then lower the heat and let it simmer with the lid on for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until the lentils are nice and tender. Once the lentils are cooked, add the chickpeas, pour in the coconut milk and add a pinch of cinnamon. Let that bubble away for another 5 minutes uncovered. Finally, stir in a big handful of spinach, let it wilt and you're good to go. I'm just chopping up some fresh coriander to be used as a garnish. This is just an optional step, and to be honest I probably went a bit overboard with the coriander anyway. I'm serving this vegan red lentil coconut curry with whole grain rice. You could serve it with naan bread or any other kind of rice of your choosing, or simply just have it on its own. It's delicious either way. But that's it, quick, creamy and packed with goodness. Time to eat. Thanks for watching. See you next time. All right.